rest mo. So, yes, kasi nga marami kang time para makapagpahinga instead of working your tawag dito, working your life away, 'di ba? Mahirap naman yung lagi na lang tayo nag-overtime tapos wala na tayong pahinga. And you know, just like I always said, mahirap yung lagi tayong nag-overtime and we have to put time for ourselves. So I am hoping na 3 years or 4 years from now si Daddy hindi na siya magtatrabaho kasi this is what I'm aiming for, and this is one of the reason when I decided to join the business is yung mga anak ko at si Daddy na hindi na siya magtatrabaho. So balang araw darating din tayo dyan. Okay? So when you decided to change your time and financial freedom, reach out to me. I can help you all the process that